I wish that you know that you're safe and that you have a safe space to be creative.
I wish you would remember to take care of yourselves and practice self-care.
I wish you have found peace in your everyday lives and community.
Hi Saugus students, I wish you a smooth and successful school year and really good grades.
Saugus, it's Juliet from Canyon, and I wish for you guys that you guys have love, kindness, and happiness throughout your lives, and that you feel united even through virtual and remote learning.
I wish for you strength within yourself and the generosity from others.
I wish you happiness.
I wish you all a lot of love, joy, and success, especially during this last part of the semester.
I wish for you guys to have a great mental health day, to not forget to drink enough water, eat enough food throughout the day, and to be sure to go outside.
I wish for you a happy and safe year.
I wish you joy and happiness, but most of all, I wish you love.
I wish you extreme joy and extreme happiness with whatever you experience or pursue in your life, and I want you to know that you are amazing, you are worth it, and you are enough.
I wish you happiness.
I wish for you to experience true happiness and be at peace with the amazing person that you are.
I wish you forever peace. I wish you eternal hope, and I admire you all for your strength.
I wish for you to experience love and spread peace and positivity throughout our community as we explore our lives and perceive the significance that everybody has difficulties. It is okay to not be okay and to reach out for help when you need it. Do not be afraid to do so. We are here for you when you need it.
Hello, my I wish assignment is I wish you could spend more time with family and friends.
I wish you achieve all of your hopes and dreams for this year.
I wish you a safe, enjoyable high school experience.
I wish you all are well and doing better.
My wish for you is strength, happiness, and success as you guys finish your first semester of online school.
I wish you comfort on these difficult days.
I wish that you all at Saugus never had to endure this traumatic event, but I hope you can come together as a school and heal.
I wish you a week of memorialization and self-development.
I wish you confidence and self-love.
I wish you to find some kind of happiness in your life, and I wish you to come to love every single part of yourself because you deserve it.
I wish you peace.
I wish for you to find comfort and healing through our community.